Hi, so here's a 360 view of the ADORE-724 7-inch pleasers. These also come in white, red and black, but today we're just giving you guys a look at the hot pink colour. Hi guys, it's Bambi and welcome back to Shoes of Hollywood. I'm going to be reviewing the ADORE-724 7-inch pink fluffy shoes. So here's how they come when you open the box. They come in these shoe protectors. You've also got a bag to store them in. Little dust bag to keep them in good condition. So these are the shoes. Are they not insane? So you've got the fluffy strap there, the fluffy ankle strap, and they've got like a pink velvet sole, and you've also got the clear with fluff stuffed inside those parts. These are super fun, definitely something someone like Marilyn Monroe would have worn back in the day, for sure. And they've also got the Grippy Bottoms, and yeah. Oh, you've also got the zip at the back, and also a string here so you can tighten it. So they're super adjustable, which is good. I'm going to try them on. And then once you zip it up at the back, you just tie it at the side. Super easy to put on. Alright, so I'm going to take them for a walk. And here's a close-up of them on the sides. They're super fun. Definitely the type of shoe to wear if you want to put yourself out there. Alright, so we're gonna go outside, take them for a walk. yeah, there's the review of the ADORE-724 pleasers. Make sure to give a like, a comment and subscribe. Take them off. And yeah, oh, also here's the code, so you can search them up if you would like to purchase some of your own, and the link will also be in the description so you can purchase them from there as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.